Can maintenance reduce emergency breakdowns? Yes, regular maintenance can find small problems early, keep equipment working safely, and greatly reduce sudden, expensive failures. Maintenance means checking, cleaning, adjusting, and replacing worn parts before they cause trouble. For example, changing an air filter helps an air conditioner breathe properly, while cleaning a dryer vent reduces overheating and fire risk. A small leak under a sink may seem harmless, but it can slowly damage cabinets, floors, and walls. Checking the leak early is usually much cheaper than repairing water damage later. Maintenance also helps equipment use less energy because dirty, loose, or damaged parts make systems work harder. One useful fact is that many breakdowns happen when a machine is starting or stopping, because those moments place extra stress on its parts. Write down the date of each inspection, filter change, or repair so you can notice patterns and avoid forgetting important tasks. Pay special attention to unusual noises, burning smells, weak airflow, slow drains, flickering lights, or sudden changes in performance, because these clues often appear before a major failure. A common mistake is waiting until something completely stops working, so schedule inspections even when everything seems fine. Another mistake is replacing only the visible part of a problem, such as tightening a loose connection without checking why it became loose. Have the entire system inspected when the cause is unclear. People also sometimes perform electrical, gas, roofing, or heating repairs without the right training, which can create serious danger, so hire a qualified professional for those jobs. Never ignore a safety warning. Water near electricity, a gas smell, or smoke, and leave the area and contact the proper emergency service when necessary. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.